Ah, that's the boss?
My darling.
Okay, very,
Macho man.
oh, very, that's your jowa.
Husband.
Ah, husband. Okay na tayo rito.
Uy, marunong pala sir ah.
Okay lang kayo rito.
Daughter.
Oh, it's a prank!
Marunong pala kayo magtagalog sir.
Oo naman, Pilipino ako eh. It's a prank! Okay lang ha.
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. Easily.
Where are we going?
Sa Martinez Palengke, sir.
What?
Street. Makati area.
Makati area. Do you know how to go there? Can you teach me the way?
Okay.
Okay, ha? Sorry, I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog, okay? I'm Chinese. I'm from China.
Sana all tawag-tawag na lang.
What's tawag-tawag?
Calling sir.
Ah, calling.
Yeah.
Okay, ha? You're what? You're darling? Okay, ha? China oil, ha? China oil. Okay, ha? Oh, nice one, honey, ha?
Dapat BGC hero.
English.
Damang driver da English. Dahil abi ko kajuk-juk na si Jackie na diya. Uy, sige na, boss.
Are you selling me?
Ano na inaasal mo? Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
What are you selling daw?
Because you're talking Tagalog, I don't understand. Are we safe going to your place?
Yes.
Okay, ha?
100%.
Okay, thank you. Okay. What language are you talking? Kanang?
Tagalog, Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Ah,
Buhol ba, buhol?
Bisaya and Tagalog.
Visayas.
Bisaya?
Oh, Bisaya.
Okay, Bisaya. Okay, ha? Oh, can you teach me some Filipino language? I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog, ha? Maybe you can help me, ha? Oh, it's the one who can...
I don't know, sir.
You don't know Tagalog?
Hindi, English sir.
We
Oo.
cannot talk English, but we can understand what you're talking about.
Oh, you understand what I'm talking about? Well, maybe you can help me to translate English to Tagalog also. Can you teach me some basic Filipino language? Oh, sir, oh, here you are. Oh. Okay, you teach me some, okay? What language?
Sir, doon na lang.
Sir, nag-vlog ka?
Are you vlogger sir?
No, I don't have GPS, you know, the requirement by the government. That's why I have my cell phone to record for the safety of my passenger also, right? Most taxi also have this webcam, right? That's a requirement. Oh, you teach me some Filipino language already. Can you help me? I want to learn more Filipino so that, you know, I can speak Tagalog. I just know very little, like, thank you, salamat.
Salamat.
Okay, what else?
Ano pa ba?
Tagalog, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Oh, what's you're welcome. What's
Salamat. Ay, you're welcome. Tama ba?
Naman.
Walang anuman.
welcome is
Walang anuman.
walang anuman. Okay. But sometimes when I go to Pasay and Manila, I see the word there, welcome Rotonda.
Okay.
Oh, see?
Welcome.
Welcome Rotonda, Pasay, welcome Rotonda.
Ano ba
Right?
Tagalog na? Walang anuman to ba? Walang anuman sir. Ay, ito ba?
Walang anuman to, Manila.
Walang anuman to. Welcome to Rotunda.
Oh, welcome Rotonda. Walang anuman to welcome Rotonda. Okay, What's I love you in Bisaya?
Higugma ko ikaw.
Higugmatika.
Gigugmatika.
Yes sir.
I've heard that in one of the radio stations. They say, killing others saying, Gigugmatika. There's a song like that.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so Gigugma is I love you.
I love you.
What's Tagalog of I love you?
I love you. Sa Tagalog, I love
Mahal
you.
kita, Roy.
Mahal kita.
What?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita? Okay, ha?
I love you.
Oh, you love. Oh, thank you. You love me. Oh, very good. You love me, ha? Oh, can you introduce yourself? Come on, so that I know who you are.
Kita
My name, sir, is Pablito.
Oh, Pablito.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why you're so pabling.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
This one is...
No. Don't point them. Let them be the one to introduce. Okay. Oh, you introduce yourself.
Kasi English yung nahit na po.
Oh, you introduce first on the right. What's your name?
We are shy.
Oh, your name is Shai. Okay, huh? Shai, and you are?
Janice.
You are?
Emeline.
Emmeline, Janice, and
Sol.
Saul. Okay, so that's Shai, Saul. Oh, Saul, I know you're always the one answering, huh? You're so good in English, huh? Huh? Am I right? Your name is Saul?
Yeah.
Okay, Saul. Hi. I'm Mr. Glue, okay? Yeah, my first name is Gao. They call me Mr. Gaolu.
Logaw.
What?
Lugaw.
Logaw.
No, Gaolu.
Tagal.
What's Lugaw? What's Lugaw?
Rice na may tubig.
What's that? Rice na may tubig?
Isa ba English?
With salt.
With salt. Rice na may tubig with salt. Is that my name?
It's like,
Ano?
Kasi porridge mo ba ito? Kasi na porridge yun, din ang porridge.
What's that? What's that? Porridge?
Soup.
Rice soup.
Ano porridge? Okay. Yeah, porridge. Okay. Porridge is rice soup. Okay. Okay. Sometimes you have some chicken, egg, things like that, and ginger. So that's my name, Gaolu.
In Philippines.
That's what you call here in the Philippines. That
Lugaw.
lugaw.
Your snack here in the Philippines.
Oh, I'm yummy, huh? I'm stuck here in the Philippines, huh? You eat lugaw? You eat lugaw?
Yes, every morning.
Oh, every morning. So I'm your breakfast. Okay, huh?
Oh, yatay.
What's that, giatay?
Bad words.
Sorry, huh?
Expression 15.
Filipino expression.
Yeah.
What? Can you teach me some Filipino expression? Giatay. Will I say Filipino? Oh, you giatay.
That is ano?
What?
Bad words.
Bad words. Okay, huh? What's giatay means?
Bad words.
Just bad words.
Isa na sa English.
In short, bad words.
In short, bad words. Giatay is bad words. Okay. Oh, you really speak very good, huh? Can you show your face here in my vlog? Okay.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hi, okay, huh? Okay, so, oh, you're very handsome, huh? Who is your girlfriend among them?
Here.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
Oh! Oh, how come you're shy? You should be proud. She is my girlfriend, okay? So,
Siya ang jowa ko.
what's that?
Siya ang jowa ko.
Siya, jowa.
No, that's my girlfriend.
That's my girlfriend. What's jowa?
Girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay. So, jowa is for girl and boy. Okay, ha? So, ikaw jowa ko.
No,
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
So, Emmeline, Pablito, jowa. Okay. So, how long have you been together?
6 years, sir.
Okay, already 6 years. Oh, very good, ha? Are you living together already?
No, sir.
Oh, live-in.
Yes, sir.
Why not get married already? Oh, are you sure with Pablito, Emmeline? Oh, you're ready. How about you? You sure with her?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so I declare you husband and wife, okay? Because you already made your commitment already. I'll marry you already, huh? Oh, the video will now testify, huh? That you admitted that you already love. Oh, do you love Emmeline?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Huh? Oh, you answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. How about you, Emmeline? Do you love Pablito?
Yes.
Okay, with the power vested in me, huh? I declare you husband and wife. Okay. Oh, kiss the bride. Are you mad at me? Oh, what are you saying there?
English daw.
No, I just want to make your relationship more secret, okay, and intact. Oh, Emmeline, if something happen, you can call me so that we can use this video to. I told you this is an evidence that he committed to you already, huh? Yeah, okay, with the power of Mr. Gaolu, okay. Thank you so much, huh? Are we near or are we far?
Yun na.
Near na. What's near in Tagalog?
Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Yeah.
Okay, malapit na? Okay. How about the opposite of malapit?
Malayo.
Malayo.
And palayo is
Malayo.
Far.
far. I love you so you always answer. Okay. Are we near or are we far?
Here.
You're near already.
Just turn right.
Turn right.
Left.
No, right.
Oh, you're confusing me. Where are we going? Left or right?
Right, sir.
Right.
What's the Tagalog of right?
Kanan.
Kanan.
Kanan. How about left?
Kaliwa.
Okay, left, right, kaliwa. Okay, thank you so much.
Sa English, upuan tayo. Sakto na tayo. Tama na.
What? What? Sakto?
Enough.
Enough. Okay. Enough. Sakto.
Enough.
Okay.
Enough.
Stop.
Stop. Enough. The same. What's the Bisaya of stop?
Punong.
What?
Punong.
Kunong.
Punong.
Punong. Okay, ha?
Punong na.
Punong na. Punong is stop. Okay, ha?
Darling. I hear darling.
Oh, very sweet, darling, ah. Oh, yeah, darling,
Your
ah.
darling, sir, is waiting.
Your darling. Who?
Janice.
Janice, darling. I thought she's calling
The boss.
Pablito. The boss is the.
Our boss.
Okay, ha?
Boss.
Where? That's the boss?
My darling.
Okay, ha? Very.
Macho man.
Oh, very. That's your jowa.
Husband.
Husband. Okay na tayo rito.
Uy, marunong pala, sir, ah.
Okay lang kayo rito.
Daughter.
Oh, it's a prank!
Marunong pala kayo mag-Tagalog, sir.
Oh, naman, Pilipino ako eh. It's a prank! Okay lang, ah.